Hey everyone, today I'm going to go over how to make a real-time day-night cycle on Roblox Studio. As you can see, the time in the UK now is about 5:30. If we go over to our lighting, you can see the time in game is also 5:30. See, we've got pretty much exact times matching, and what this will do is it will make it so there's a full day-night cycle. So the time will keep ticking, the sun will come down, it will come back up, just work perfectly in hopefully around in line with real life time. Right, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is add a script to server script services. I'm going to go inside the script. I'm going to get rid of the print statement because we won't need that, and then we're going to say local lighting equals game.lighting. This is going to define our lighting so we can adjust this setting. And then underneath that we're going to say local time offset equals, and to get our time offset you need to work out where the game's going to be based. In my situation I'm in the UK, so if you type UK time zone for me and then I come across here, it will say British summertime, which is UTC +1. And what you need is that offset after UTC. So for the UK it is 1. Right, and then under that we can say we're going to start by getting a function, so we can use this code multiple times as just best code in practice, because we're going to call it more than once instead of us rewriting the code. So we're going to say local function get time, and we're going to say local UTC time, and we're going to get the UTC time from the server. So we're going to say os.date open close, and then we're going to say string, and we're going to put exclamation mark asterisk t, we're going to comma os.time bracket bracket. And what this is going to do is it's going to get the date and time from the server, and it's going to format it how we need it. So we're going to then say under this we're going to have local format UTC, because what this does, it will return like a time object pretty much, and we can access the properties of it, but it doesn't display it in the suitable format to put into the time of day in lighting. So to do that we're going to say equals string dot format, and then we're going to put our format string. So we're going to put percentage d colon percentage 0 2d colon percentage 0 2d, I believe. And then if we go across here we can say UTC time dot hour, which is the hour property of the UTC time, and we're going to also then add our time offset for our time zone, and then we're going to put comma UTC time dot min, the minute for this, and then UTC time dot sec, which stands for second, and then we're going to return format UTC. Now underneath the function we've just made, we're going to set straight away lighting dot time of day equals get time, and we're going to call the function. So if we go off here now, just back to base plate, if I load in now, the time should be around 5:30. Just make sure that's the case. Okay, look, it's a bit darker now, so if I go over to lighting, yep, the time is about 5:30, which is what it is in the UK right now. So that means it's working. So what we need to do now, so you can see the time is not changing, so we're going to make a simple loop, and what this is going to do is just going to keep the time updated. So if we go back off of here, go back to our script, and then we can say while task.wait. Task.wait is like what you should use now as best practice. It's meant to be more accurate than a standard wait. And we're going to say 1 for 1 second, and we're going to put do. And then what we're going to do is we're going to set lighting dot time of day equals get time. So what this is saying is every 1 second we're going to tick, we're going to get the time, and we're going to set the time in lighting to that time. So if we go off here now, this should all be done. So you can see dark. If we go over to lighting down here, if you could see down here, and time of day 5:34, 15, 16, so on and so on. It should keep going on, and obviously as it keeps going on it will get darker, the sun will go down, come back up, and there's the full-on day-night cycle, like real time. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, as it would really help me out. Also, if you want to see more content, it will encourage me to keep making content for you. If you've got any video ideas, just drop them in the comments and I'll make them as soon as possible. Thank you. Almost forgot to mention, this video is like technically sponsored by myself, which is kind of cool. I've been working on the last week or so on this development website where I'm going to post articles about Roblox development. I've only got a couple at the minute, but I'd really appreciate if you can come check this website out. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. I will be posting a lot more, hopefully, so if you go show that some love, I'd really appreciate it.